some of these reports a little bit. So again, manufacturing was the #1 target, except for the very small businesses where it was actually professional services,
Right.
which I thought was interesting. Manufacturing was #2 in those cases.
Are you going off the Sophos report on that one?
That was Black Kite,
Right,
actually.
right.
And when they started drilling down, they found that 75% of manufacturing firms have at least one critical vulnerability.
Yeah, I mean, we could see that. Like, we see this with healthcare, too. I mean, when you look at manufacturing, a lot of the machinery they use is proprietary, right? Like, they have very customized software and hardware that they have built into the environment that cannot really be changed or updated
Yes.
in some cases. So, I mean, if there's a vulnerability, like, you may not be able to fix that. So
Absolutely.
how do you handle that at that point?
Well, again, it reminds me of hospitals in a lot of ways.
Yeah.
You get these environments with either legacy systems or they're multi-million-dollar pieces of equipment.
Right.
They're designed to last 10, 20 years.
And they still run on Windows XP.
Yeah, and often those
yeah.
contracts were put in place without any security patching requirements. Thank you so much, everyone. Again, this is Sherry Davidoff.
And I'm Matt Duran. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at any time. We would love to hear from you. Thanks again for joining, and we'll see you next time.